Yes, today I want to discuss about one pharmaceutical company, how to start, and what are the profits and benefits. I will say nowadays so many diseases are coming. For every disease, multiple types of drugs are coming. So pharmaceutical company is also most important to most important in the people. So what is a pharmaceutical company? Chemicals are part of raw materials used in the production of drugs. If you are looking to start a business in the chemical industry, then you have the option of opening a pharmaceutical company, that is manufacturing company. Get license from local authorities. You would be required to apply and obtain the necessary license and permits from the government. Get legal permissions from concerned authorities. Before starting, you should have a budget plan for regular maintenance also, including salaries and overheads. So first you should get permissions. Before that, all the verifications you should have. For every drug, there will be a verification will be there from a medical board. So all the verifications and certificates, if you take it, then you will get local authority permissions also. And the packing system, have a perfect packing system and have a brand name to go into the market in a comfortable way. Get through online. For basic knowledge, you can see YouTube videos also. In Google search also you can get lot of subject. It will give fundamental knowledge only on practical. Contact familiar industries in detail with books and CDs. Especially for pharmaceuticals, it is better to have D pharmacy or B pharmacy or M pharmacy is most important. But even though certain qualified people in other faculties also are starting it, but they are deploying a qualified person in their company. Likewise also you can start the company. Suggestion: for starting these industries, you should have a lifetime commitment, and otherwise you should get complete details of delivery submission to third party also. That is also you should know before starting the company. That is most important. Suppose you are starting a company, you struggled a lot, and market is increased for the time being. For the longevity, you get good orders also and good clients are there. Clients are there. By getting good income, you will have another thought of starting real estate or constructions and something. If you want to change the field, then you should have the knowledge about delivery submission to third party also, and you should go through the lawyer and get the permissions, and you will get goodwill also for your raw materials and infrastructure and the present staff and everything. You will get and popularity and turnover, all these will be considered in the submission to third party. That time you will get very good goodwill. That goodwill will be more than your establishment charges and expenses and all these. So you will get very good income also at par. So don't worry about that. I should do in the long run. I should be stick up. Don't stick up. So after getting and settling, then you can do other activities. But what I am saying is, even if you are not interesting to do anything also in certain stages, don't close it. Closing means the staff and workers will suffer so much. Instead of that, if you give a delivery to third party, it is very good service, and it will be continued by him. So all licenses and trademarks and everything, and brand also, you will have a brand name also, that will also be successful to the further candidates. So likewise you can establish the things also. No doubt at all, once your company is running in good condition, definitely you will get goodwill also more than your establishment and risk while submitting to others also. For your commitment and risk, you face this. That goodwill is the commitment and risk you faced. For that you should take the goodwill also. What is an example of a pharmaceutical? The definition of pharmaceutical is something related to prescription drugs or pharmacies. An example of pharmaceutical drug is a Prozac. Prozac. How to start a pharmaceutical distribution company. Hire a business consultant and determine your niche. Create a successful business plan. Research competitors. Determine company structure. Choose the right equipment. Establish roles. Conduct SWOT analysis. Verify license requirement. Even competitors may be there also. Your quality is yours and your cost is yours and your brand is yours. So many brands uh, um, for one brand of production drug, multiple brands will be there with multiple pharmaceutical companies. That will not give any problem. Your business is yours, their business is themselves. So you need not worry about the competition. Always you should have the concentration on the quality and the cost. That is most important. How do I start a business? How do I start a business? Conduct market research. Market research will tell you if there is an opportunity to turn your idea into a successful business. Write your business plan, find your business, pick your business location, choose a business structure, choose your business name, register your business, get federal and state tax identifications. How do pharmaceutical companies make money? In fact, these companies make their profits by selling drugs that treat diseases. For example, sales of the Sovaldi drug for hepatitis C, just one treatment by one pharmaceutical company for one disease, sold almost entirely in the exceeded more than $10 billion in 1 year. But not one company, for multiple companies of the drugs. Difference between medicine and drugs. Drugs are considered to be such things as stimulants, narcotics and hallucinogens, and often are used in the medical field to treat or cure disease. Medicine, however, is our term for a drug when that drug is used to cure, mitigate, treat or prevent a disease. One thing I will say, even drug may be very good to recover a patient, but even though basically the God given energy should be there in your body, then only all these medicines will work and apply to enhance your energy and to decrease the disease, and with your immune system you should fight. All these are very important, and drugs will work very well. 5 ways drugs can enter your body. The path drugs take through the body. Substances can enter the body through various means. Drugs can be smoked, snorted, injected, swallowed. Swallowed means pills, capsules, liquids, etc., etc., and are applied through transdermal means. Some substances can be eaten, such as marijuana. 4 categories of medicines. Generally speaking, there are only different types of medicines that you would come across. These are the general sales list: pharmacy medicines, prescription only medicines, controlled drugs also. 7 classes of drugs, 7 drug categories: central nervous system, depressants, CNS depressants, slow down the operations of the brain and the body; CNS stimulants, hallucinogens, and dissociative anesthetics, narcotic analgesics, inhalants, and cannabis. So these are the pharmaceutical company drugs, and every pharmaceutical company will maintain a chemist and one healthcare person, and quality, always quality control will be there, and how the drug is working in every inquiry will be there. Always regular inquiry will be there about how it is working, how the patients are recovering. Everything they will get from, they will give samples also to the doctors. By that they will get the information how they are responding and all this. By that also, if no comments are there, it is successful, and if they are having a good response, it is also successful thing to you. So likewise, pharmaceuticals are very important, and you should be very careful regarding drug making, and including formula also. If formula is very good and it is comfortable and it is nearer to your raw material having, and all these are there good means you will be successful. So be careful and be sincere. One thing I will say that in every product, if you make it, 70% will be should be the working cost. 70% is working cost and 30% is your margin. If you maintain such formula and such principle, you will be successful. 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the margin. Without margin, how you will work, and what is how you can survive? So that every product of making business product or business, 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the margin. If you maintain such a accurate principle, then you will be successful, and it is considerable and moderate also. If you maintain such principles, you will be successful, and don't forget the quality. If cost is increasing, let it be increased, and again 30% you get for suppose today cost is 70 rupees, means 130 100 rupees will be the cost. Working cost is 70, means 100 rupees will be the cost. Suppose if it is increased to 90 rupees the working cost, then 80 plus 30%, so it will be around 35 or something, it will become the margin. Likewise 110 and 115 or 120 rupees is the total cost. Likewise 30% margin always you should maintain, then it will be accurate and moderate and considerable thing. So then you will be successful in your field also. But always compare with other companies and other brands, and but don't compete with their business, compete with their quality, and take an ideal system with your drugs also. Then you will be successful, and be careful and be successful in your areas. Wishing you all the best.